Hi besties, hey loves, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video. This is actually a vlog. For some of you who don't know, I'm into film, like I'm a filmmaker. Basically, I do a lot of things around film. I can be a cinematographer, a director, an assistant director, and a producer, a production manager, a script writer. I can literally wear different hats and do the job, execute my job perfectly. And not just limited to film, I do music videos, I do documentaries. So I'm gonna drop my official page where I post like most of my jobs. I'm gonna drop the link to my Instagram, official page. I'm gonna drop it somewhere here. But anyways, I'm taking you guys with me on this project as a producer. I'm currently working with two amazing producers, and well, that makes three of us, as the producer for this film. I'm excited. I can't wait for you guys to see the film when it eventually drops. And I'm going to take you guys with me on that journey of just the hassle and the craziness that comes with being on set. So I'm taking you on that journey. You might not see me always in front of the camera, which is why I'm making this intro. You may probably see B-rolls and me just adding text here and there because I know I might not have the time to really give you like a detailed view. The original plan was for me to do like a daily vlog, but I know I can't meet up because I have a lot of work to do. Whatever I can push, I'll try my best. So yeah, I'm happy to take you guys on this journey, and I'm excited to just be part of this project. So we are supposed to be on set for like 22 days, and that's like 3 weeks, but we'll have one day in between. Like, so let's say we'll film for 6 days and then we'll go on break on the seventh day. That's the arrangement, right? So then I can go home and see my kids. They're really close by. My house is like maybe 20 or 30 minutes drive from here, but I don't think I'll have the time to run home and come back. So we checked in today. We've been having a lot of production meetings, like guys, meetings back to back, online meetings. We'll be meeting every day. If you're a film person, you know how crazy it can be, planning for a project. I'm used to musical videos, and that's like a day shoot. This one is not even musical videos, it's like days of shoots. We're doing 20 something days, so it's a lot of work, back end work. But I just pray I don't break down at no point, because I promised myself I was going to vlog this journey while still giving my 100% on the project. The only thing I came with in terms of filming, I'm filming my phone and then this mic and then a very tiny light. This is not the room that the production provided. There's I won't say it's much cool. Of course, this is better because this is for the cast, one of the lead cast, but she's not around, and we kind of like want to have like a production meeting here for tonight. So tomorrow I'm going to go to my actual room. I've been there today. My things are there, but I came here to just do a bit of meeting. So I'm going to sleep in a room meant for one of the casts. This is day 0. Tomorrow is day 1. Look like day 0. I'm just checking in so you guys see my face, right? And then the last day of the shoot, you are going to see my face, and let's see if anything changes or if anything has changed, because I feel like I'll get darker. I'm not projecting negativity, but I feel like I will get darker and lose a bit of weight. Let's see. Anyways, guys, have we started?
Okay. Alright, let's go. From top. Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning, guys.
Take 3, still until 5 straight 4.
And action.
Call it. Take 2, still on straight 7, same 12A.
Short in the bag, moving on.
Change. Costume. Short in the bag, moving on.
Weeks of production, and it's really going as planned. Thank you, Jesus. So this is the first day, and we're currently one of the locations. It's officially day 1. I'm so excited. Hey guys, okay, I know I look bad. One, my eyes are swollen. Two, I don't know, I slept with my makeup on. Like, I've cleaned off all my makeup. So it's time to just do something. But I'm not going to do anything without skincare. So I'm dressed up. I look like so basically, we're supposed to be giving like a crew t-shirt, you know, like they normally do in production. My department is in charge of that, but we handed it over to the art department. I handed it over to the production manager, and I don't know what happened, but he forgot to, I won't say forget, there are probably reasons why he didn't distribute the t-shirts. So, and I didn't come with like t-shirts from home. I didn't come with t-shirts because t-shirt is very much accepted in terms of like, it's more comfortable, and t-shirt generally is accepted, right? So I didn't come with any of those from home. Today was the first day, so a lot of things happened, right? And we're like everywhere. So today, hopefully, we'll get that t-shirt and I can change it to the t-shirt on set and then wear this jacket. I cannot find my brush, my toothbrush. You know, I normally use toothbrush on my edges, but I can't find it. So I'm trying to use this, my brow. Sorry, I'm looking this way. I'm trying to use this gel, this brow brush, or what's it called? Yeah, I'm about to head out, but first of all, to take my apple cider. See, if I didn't pack anything, I definitely packed this guy because he helps with bloating. I don't know why I look white. I think this is better. So I got this cup like weeks before the shoots as a gift from the birthday party I attended for my kids, like children's birthday party. So I just decided to bring it because it's small and it can fit into my bag, and thank God it did fit into my bag. So I kind of realized that this set is going to make me add weight. So I'm going to take this and then head out. So if you're wondering what apple cider does, well, apple cider for me, it helps with my bloating. So this is like one of the things that will just bring me back to myself for a few hours. I'm carrying this, is it tote bag, a tote bag or whatever, but I got this one that we use. I really want these edges to stay. Somebody said this was like a hack. If you want your edges to really stay put, use this to keep it. So I'm like, I'm gonna try it today. I tried it yesterday. It actually did work for a few hours, but it got to a point I was sweating because baby girl was under the sun yesterday. I was sweating. This cap, oh my god, this cap is for sun. Like, baby girl is ready for this shoot because why do I have this big cap on? But this saves me from sun. I don't think I'm taking it on set today because we're not really doing much. But shooting outside, but I think this is too massive. I came with a face cap, a black face cap, but I left it in the studio, so I don't have access to it now. But this does so much when it comes to protecting your skin. Remember how I tell you guys, protect your skin, use sunscreen. I'm going with this sunscreen. This one is more water-based, so if it gets crazy on set, I'm going to apply this on my face, like wipe off some makeup and then put my sunscreen on and then have this one. So I think now you're good to go. Power bank can be here. I'm going to put my power bank here instead of my bag. And then the mic I got, I'm putting it here because there's a possibility I will drop this bag. There's a possibility I'm going to drop this bag once we go on set. I'm going to probably drop it in my colleague's car. So I'm going to put my power bank and later put my cables in my bag here. Like the things I need, I'm going to put on this jacket, and then everything I don't need, I'm going to dispose it. This is the highlight of today. This perfume. It's currently 7:10. So I'm gonna head out now. No, I'm not going with my tripod. We're going with this light, but it's actually dead. I was about to die. Yeah. See you guys later. Apply the lip gloss now. And where we're shooting is really not far from the location, so I'm walking. It's like a 10-minute walk, which I feel is great. Catch you guys on set.
Sit down for that drum, please. Relax your back for the drum. Sit down for floor.
Alright, let's go. I beg.
Alright.
Take 4, still on scene 36, MOS.
My assistant to me, and I'm doing the job.
Oh, yeah. This is the right place, scene 36, plate 50.
Thank you very much.
Guys, I'm currently back at the hotel. And I'm not done filming. I'm still filming to, first of all, use the restroom. Where we are filming, there is no restroom. There is no place to do number 1, number 2. So I'm really pressed. The time is 6:16. Currently it's 6:16 p.m. It's been a stressful day, very stressful. You can tell that I look ratchet. Like, this is not how I left the house. I'm looking so tanned. The sun was kind of crazy today, but what do we have a choice? No. We're gonna film late into the night. I don't know when we finish, but we'll have like 3 or 4 night scenes, like major scenes, 3 or 4 night scenes, and we haven't even started filming it yet. So I'll be filming wrap like maybe 10 p.m, 11 p.m. Came to pick up a hoodie that will keep me warm because we're shooting outside. So I'm not going to spend time here, probably 5 or 10 minutes and I'm out. So I'm tired, really tired. I'm tired that food is not my problem, because it's not food that is doing me. You know that feeling? Like I'm not hungry. I just need to rest. And then, I mean, it's been a while I did like back-to-back filming, so I know for a fact that these days, like this project is going to get me very tired. Not just tired, but exhausted. I got this. Like, I got this. As I don't break down and I need to be hospitalized, then it's under control. I'm back on set. I really look homeless. I look homeless, but
you are not saying you know president died. It's not possible.
Yeah, that's fine. Like, no. Okay, that. Yes, it's not bad. It's not bad.
it's not bad.
So,
Inside, bring it inside.
You should just go, yeah.
beautiful.
We have
Good morning, guys. I'm sure you can tell that. Let me see. I can't even carry my body up, but I have to go to work. Today is day 3. So I'm trying to wake myself up before standing. I'm so exhausted. I'm tired. I'm rethinking my life decision. Like, do I really want to? It's Sunday, by the way. I'm sure I can hear, like, I need to close this window. This one is so much. If you're a production person, you can really, it's like, I'm so exhausted. My whole bones are paining me. I'm tired. I'm rethinking my decision about life and about my career choice. Like, when I'm at this level of tiredness, I rethink my life choices. Like, I really want to be in Miami or in Bora Bora, chilling somewhere. This is not what I signed up for. I should be in Bora Bora, chilling on the beach, doing some. I'm exhausted. Like, you can tell that I am exhausted. So I didn't clean my makeup. I cleaned up my makeup yesterday, but not properly. So I'm going to go ahead and shower and then head out for day 3. I think I'll end this vlog today. I'm going to wrap up the vlog today, by the end of today, because I don't want it to be so many minutes. 3 days, and then I'll start off afresh tomorrow. I think that's what I would do. So yeah.
그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요.